still long.
PLTR going.
I'm still long. So my philosophy was to go for the break of heights. It holds the VWAP, but this rejection is not great. So every time it goes up, apparently there is selling pressure on it. So what we are seeing here is selling pressure. So now there are some big asks here, but I need much bigger ask, you know, to get a confidence, like a 400 lot, 500 lot, 600 lot. Maybe they're coming. Still hasn't lost. Now it's a 176. That's good. I'm still long in there. I can't get out of a break even now, but I'm not. Right, I'm getting out of it. I'm getting out of it.
Those tails on the 2-minute chart look ominous.
Yeah, so that is definitely not a good price action for a 1-minute chart for a stock that we were expecting to break. Snap potentially long. That's the fallen angel.
It's looking like
I'm taking a long and a snap at 46. Taking a long on 46 and a snap.
NYU, yeah, it's just super weak. I should have stayed short on
I'm a snap long
quarter size
snap.
on that.
Looks like he wants to do a fallen angel, so he holds this level. I'm long at 46.
There goes snap right back to VWAP.
Let's see if we can get the VWAP on snap. Not a great entry for me on a snap, but
It's almost a that VWAP. It's almost a short again. NYU. NIU. Jeez. Should have held that.
NEO is coming back up. Yeah, NEO is, I think it's gonna go explode, so. But let's see. Still holding above the VWAP. Yeah. Wow, look at the SPY. Look at SPY. Look at Qs.
Yeah,
What's happening?
I know. SPY just rocked it. Yeah. Roku looks like it's gonna. I think it's just buying.
Buying, huh?
Who knows?
Who knows, huh? I'm still long on Snap. Neo potentially when I get back in there because it looks like it's holding the VWAP. Snap at 46.11. Adding a little bit more on it. See if you can go back and test the VWAP. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go.
All right. Oh, yeah. Look at NIU. Why am I not still short that? Okay, PLTR could be, it looks like it's going to head to previous day high. 1966
All right.
is going to be where it'll have some support, resistance.
So Snap, I want to, this is what we call a fallen angel strategy. So we kind of bounce back, hold it. A much better entry would have been 45.80. So my entry is not great. That's why I'm kind of stuck in it. A little bit stressed, but I think it's going to pop test above the VWAP. So I'm long in there. I'm having a close eye on Neo 2. Oh, there you go. So getting some out here at the VWAP. Let's see if we can close above the VWAP. I'm having an eye on Neo as well. Neo is still holding the VWAP, although Excellent.
NYU.
Yeah, Neo is gonna Neo lost it. So Snap is good. Snap, this is a very nice pattern. It's just the strongest stop, drops, holds usually bottom, and this bottom exactly in a 5-minute chart, guys. this moving average. I don't have a good entry. That's why my risk to reward is a little bit questionable. So if my entry would have been around here, somewhere at the support, then my risk to reward would have been much better. At least would have been so now it's moving slowly higher. That's good. So that allows me to now scale out more. Perfect. This is a fallen angel. I don't trade it very often, but I should trade this way more often. So high of the day is definitely an option. But for me, the trade essentially should have been done by now. If I had a much better entry, this is a 3-to-1 risk to reward or something. If my entry would have been a little bit better, around 45.80, which is closer to this support, usually the support is happening in a longer, higher time frame. I mean, I'm already in 2-to-1 to 3-to-1 risk to reward. I don't need the stock to go up to the high of the day. If it does, it's extra money for me, but I'm already at a really good risk to reward. So the trade doesn't necessarily mean go back to the high of the day. QQQ is doing very strong on the other side. Alliance.
All right. Well, I'm trying to find something I want to trade. PLTR is pulling back here. Roku's not really doing much of anything.
Yeah, I think Snap has another explosion on it. Hands on the trigger. Okay, Neo is gonna lose it. Oh yeah,
Neo's really losing it.
When Neo is losing it, he's losing it. He's not messing around with anyone. So I'm glad I got out of Neo. That's for sure. Getting out a little bit more on Snap, holding a little bit of Snap, and see if we can actually get a good entry on it.
The great thing about Neo is that it will find a bottom and it will come back.
Getting out a little bit more on Snap.
VAP. It's showing up on the scanner. Yeah. Solo had a nice V reversal. That was pretty well hard to trade. Back up to 11.45. Now it's selling off. Okay. Just covering some BABA here. BABA here. It's coming back down to maybe go back to previous day close. Covered the rest of it here because I think it's going to bounce. I had a great trade on BABA on Friday. Played, was it Friday? Yeah, Friday. Played an option on it. Just kept going up all day.
You?
Yeah. Bought some options at the open
Yeah.
on BABA because it just looked like it was going to have like a strong. I just held it all day.
Yeah. Oh. Neo is a squeezing. NIO is a squeezing.
Yeah, look. What did I tell you? Neo will always come back.
Yeah, it's a huge short squeeze.
So there's the bounce. BABA, exactly where you expected it. PLTR right back to the VWAP now. Watch it, it'll bounce here.
I want to know if a Snap can hold above the VWAP.
Yeah, got along the PLTR right at the VWAP. Just selling it here. So that was just so easy. right at the VWAP, PLTR.
PLTR is interesting. I never got the chance to trade PLTR. It has a really nice volume as well. I think it's a really good stock to trade. Good price action, good. Everything is great on PLTR. I just never got a chance to trade it.
So got it up on a screen here off the side. Looks like Baba's gonna go red here. Okay, I'm flat right now. Gold and silver are dropping. Yeah, here goes Baba's gonna go. I think it's gonna lose this level here. It's gonna go red on the day. China tensions. Baidu's down, JD's down.
So what was we were trading? Yeah. We were trading.
I think
I was trading a snap. Okay. All right, snap is coming back.
PLTR is coming back.
Yeah. I'm getting out of.
Neo?
No.
Snap?
I was going to get out of snap, but not yet. Yeah, I'm getting out of snap a little bit. I just want to see. I was hoping to get a little bit. Neo is going potential. I don't know. Neo. I don't know. I don't want to touch Neo again.
Neo may just chop around here for a while. Wow. BE really took off. Bloom Energy. All these crazy alternative energy stocks, eh? Plugs trying to get breakout here.
XPEV is running up.
All-time
XPEV, yeah. I think Neo is also gonna probably start moving. It's just Neo is. XPEV is going up. I should have held more XPEV. Let's see if we can trade PLTR a little bit. Does it have a good volume in it or not?
It's dropping off now. We're getting into half hour. SPY is kind of isn't doing much of anything actually.
Yeah, SPY have consolidated at 358. Well, I had a pretty good day. I had a really solid day, and I don't want to do anything else, to be honest with you. Snap, holding the snap a little bit. Yeah, so I do have a solid, generally I do have a good day right now. I wish,
Blink.
Yeah, so I hold a little bit of a snap here, guys. About 2,000 shares of a snap. I want to see if it can actually go back up. I'm also in Qs. I want to see what Qs are doing, and that's this account. The other account, I'm also load up with some of the other indexes. See what those indexes are doing. Oh, snap is dropping to my break-even point. So yeah, I'm getting out.
I went short.
Back up.
Yeah, I went. I went shorted actually. Just looked like it wasn't going to. Those moving averages are rolling over. So I'll cover a bit of it right here.
Boeing is running up. BA is going up. XPEV is going up. Yeah.
Because Boeing had that news on the Europeans, I think, proving the max.
All right, guys, so that's it for me. I actually recorded this trading session. I'm gonna post this trading session on YouTube. I'll stop. Thanks, guys.